Next task, get these bikes set up. We're going to plan B.
Let's go.
Where is she?
Here we go.
So today's happening, we're off on our adventure. Ready for check-in. This is all our luggage. Bike boxes. Brisbane International. Here we go. Good morning from Seoul. We arrived at about 8:30 last night, and then we headed to the shuttle bus, which we only needed one stop, and there's no way we could have fitted our bike boxes in. And we ended up just walking to the hotel. So we borrowed the airport trolleys, put the bike boxes and all the luggage on, walked to the accommodation. So yeah, we thought we did the right thing this morning and returned the trolleys. Well, one trolley was already gone, so we only had to return one. So we're just walking back and going to assemble our bikes. But look how beautiful it is here. Like all these trees are in blossom. It's gorgeous. So this was our room last night. Excuse the mess. Pretty comfortable bathroom. And a huge room with lots of storage, which is great for assembling the bikes. Not the storage, but the room. Look out, and some more cherry blossoms down there. So yes, next task, get these bikes set up. Looks like they travelled pretty well.
Voila!
Still looks pretty good.
Yeah. So this is 32 kilos. Smack on.
We were quite surprised.
We had some airport struggles yesterday because when we got to the airport it was 35.
And we weighed in at home on the scales, but it wasn't quite accurate.
Can't remember what I did with the little screws.
No, they're on the inside here.
Oh, right. Something wrong somewhere. Maybe it's just this.
It's catching somewhere, is it?
Well, it feels like it's dragging on the pads.
Riding through the cherry blossoms. We just left the hotel and we're going to find the ferry because you can't take the bridge to the mainland. And you're not allowed to do it on a bicycle. So we're going to try and find the ferry. And, thank you. So yeah, then we'll ride to the start of that Mara West Lock, the start of the bicycle path. You're running a red light here on camera.
What's that?
A few things moving about on my bicycle. And then we'll follow that along for a little while, and we've got a hotel booked in Seoul as well, just to explore Seoul for 2 days, or a day and a half. So you were running a red light on camera. We're going to plan B.
Plan B, yes. We could not find a way off Airport Island, Incheon,
On a bicycle.
on a bicycle. Every bicycle path led to dead end. So now we're getting a jumbo taxi, $80. But them's the brakes, eh? We can't catch the train because you're not allowed to take bikes on the train during the week. And buses tend to be too difficult with all our luggage and the bikes. So this is what we're stuck with.
This is plan B, baby.
Yes. Plan B always costs more money. So we're out of our jumbo taxi. And now we're looking for the office to pick up the passports for the river trail. Cross-country trail. And then we have the 38-kilometre trek into the city to find our next hotel for 2 days of sightseeing around Seoul.
We're here at Ara Westlock, where the seagulls are singing a song for us. So many of them. I don't know if you can see it, but they're bobbing up and down on the water.
We have our passport. All these seagulls make me want to have fish and chips and a beer.
Give my first stamp.
First stamp. So you reckon it's this one here?
The first one, yeah.
Which way is up?
Well, just practice stamp it.
I got it, baby. Let's go. 633 kilometres. See if we see how much we can get lost in the next 40 kilometres.
Well, the next 21 we won't get lost, but after that we have to make our way to. Let's go. Hi.
On the right side of the track. That's a good start. It's funny, today feels like I'm actually in a different country. All the different little challenges of not knowing. Thank you. But still, what does this do?
We got some more beautiful cherry blossoms all along here. Just before it was almost like it was snowing. All the leaves coming down.
I don't know if you can see them at the edge of the film. It just looks like a big stack of Meccano, sorry, not Meccano. What do they call it? Lego blocks. All stuck together. So close. People picnicking, barbecues happening. I'm starting hungry.
Some entertainment along the way. This is nice.
Second-hand bicycle parts. Where is she? Where's that?
See the old air bike shop?
Yeah, I saw that. Would have been worth a stop. But we're a bit behind time today. Hey, did you see Do you see what all these people are picking out of the ground? It's a weed that we throw away in the lawn at home. But they're after the roots. Yeah, must be good free tucker. The unusual part about today is it's Wednesday. Thank you. I don't think they understand the bell because it's courtesy of the bell ringing like we do. You get a few dirty looks when you ring your bell here. Look at this red cherry blossom. While we wait for Cecilia to catch up. Here she comes. Yeah, first red one. 7%. We're trying to make it across the Han River to make it to our hotel. The first bridge was closed for bicycles, and now we're trying the second bridge. You may not be able to see, but this is so steep. I've got a firm hand on my brakes. Okay, so we made it across the Han, and now it should be about 7 kilometers to the hotel we're staying. We're just weaving through the burbs, through the burbs of Seoul. Since we're only 5 k's away, maybe we should look for a nice place for dinner.
Yeah, how we get there.
Have it before we get there.
Yeah. We've just stopped for a bite to eat. This is dinner actually. Got nice little noodle soup, some chicken. Here's some chicken curry, and it must be a bit like miso, a bit of crunchy, very tasty. So we've just arrived here in our hotel. It's been a really good day. It didn't really go as expected because we would have liked to ride our bikes from the airport, then take the ferry to the mainland and ride all the way to the start of the Ara West bicycle path. But we rode around in circles for about an hour, and there's all the roads we were just not allowed to ride on it with a bicycle, and you're also not allowed to take your bicycle on the train on weekdays, and today's a Wednesday, so yeah, we had to go to a plan B. We came across some taxi drivers and they helped us out. They're such nice people. They booked a van for us. So yeah, and then we checked in here, and we've even got our bikes in here because they didn't really have anywhere else for us to park the bikes, and the room's pretty decent, so we can make it work. So they're nice and safe. We've got all our bags lined up here. Oh, Let me show you the bathroom as well. So yeah, this is all very comfortable. So I'll just show you where we rode today. So this is the start of the bike path, and they have you buy this passport, and they have these red phone booths with stamps where you can put stamps in your passport. So there's one here. So we started here and we got here quite late, and then we rode all the way along the waterway. All the way over here, and this is the Era bicycle path, and there's another stamp here. So then we continued on the hanging bicycle path. So we rode the third phone booth and got a stamp there. And then we wanted to cross the river to get to our hotel in Seoul here. So the GPS said, oh, go back a little bit and take this bridge here. Well, it was all blocked off. We couldn't get through. So then we continued on and we took one of these bridges here. I think it might have been this one. And then we sort of weaved our way to Incheon suburb to get to the hotel. So that's where we are now. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye.